Hello, I'm Sana Khan, and you're watching MediCircle. Today we have with us Dr. Sandeep Singh. He has been an assistant professor at Employee State Insurance Corporation. He had a fellowship at United Lincolnshire Hospitals in Boston, UK, and was also a senior fellow at the University College London Hospitals in UK for robotic arthroplasty and sports injury. He's currently working at Care Hospitals, Bhubaneswar, as a consultant surgeon for joint replacement and sports injuries. Please welcome him to our show, Dr. Speak. Hi, Dr. Sandeep. How are you?
Hi, Sana. Thank you so much for the introduction. I'm good. How are you?
We're good. Fine. Thank you, sir. Okay. So to begin with, Dr. Sandeep, the Care Hospitals Group is a multi-speciality healthcare provider with 14 hospitals serving 6 cities across 5 states in India. How does it feel to be associated with such a brand?
So, any anything in orthopedics requires a big setup. It requires a good backup, and especially when we are trying to do new things and to try the way this country works. When it comes to orthopedics, you always require financial, moral, and good team. So
Mhm.
working with a brand like Care is actually very very helpful because they have that vision of growing, which actually helps doctors also. So it's really great associated being with Care. Yeah, thanks.
Great. Is robotic knee replacement surgery better?
So that's a very good question. So now, actually, robotic surgery has made its dawn in India in the last couple of years. But if we go to the West, when if we go to the US, robotic surgery is considered normal. Even in Europe, robotic surgery has picked up. So I was in London for the last 2 years, where I exclusively did robotic knees and hips, and that was one of my primary reasons of coming back to India to hopefully start this in this part of the world. And when it comes to your initial question, yes, robotic surgery is much, much better. It is much more precise. It causes lesser blood loss, and for the patient, it's much, much better because it's more precise. So the amount of error that a robot makes is much, much less than a surgeon. So
Right.
so basically, it is the future. I think in the next 15, 20 years, when I gray up, everything will be robotic when it comes to hips and knees. Yeah.
Would you like to bust some myths for our viewers related to orthopedic joint replacement surgery?
So I've been a consultant here for a few months in India, and I think there are a lot of traditional views about joint replacement when it comes to Indian patients. Not that their needs are different than that of the West, but the way they
Right.
perceive joint replacement is quite different. So
Mhm.
joint replacement in the West is highly acceptable, and people actually want it. But in India, people wait for the deformity to increase to a level where their life is completely dependent on that surgery. So it is my job of surgeons like me to actually create awareness among people that it is a safe one-time surgery which gives good results, right? So the
Mhm.
biggest myth is changing how people think about joint replacement, especially knee and hip replacements, because these are life-changing surgeries. So hip replacement has been declared as the operation of the century by the Lancet, which is one of the biggest medical journal in the world.
Okay.
So it is a very successful and a life-changing surgery. We just want to have to change the attitudes of people who are suffering and don't know about it, right?
Okay.
Hope that
Uh,
answers your question.
Dr. Sandeep, what is the future of sports injury management in India?
So, Sana, part of my so 50% of my practice is joint replacement, and the rest 50% is sports injuries. Now, the
Right.
reason I chose East of India as my area of practice is because East of India, especially Bhubaneswar, has hosted the Hockey World Cup. It's going to
Mhm.
host the FIFA World Cup really soon, and so there is a big push for sports in this part of the world, right?
Right.
And so when I was in London, I was in 18 months for at the Institute of Sports Exercise and Health, which where we used to regularly deal with patients who were Olympiads and Olympic players, athletes. So obviously, I learned a lot about that, and I think similar kind of structures need to be built in this part of the world. So in January,
Mhm.
in fact, in Care Hospitals, we are starting first of its kind in East India, a super specialty clinic, which will include me. It will include a lot of physiotherapists, sports physiotherapists, psychiatrists, sports dietitian, which is first of its kind in this part of the country. So I think the future is great. We need India to win more medals, but to win more medals, we need centers which obviously there needs to be a lot of political push, but obviously we need people who are trained to handle sports injuries. So it's all good. I think there's a lot of potential.
Great. Thank you so much, Dr. Sandeep, for coming to our
Thank
show
you.
and sharing your valuable time and insights
Thank you
with
so
us. It has been a pleasure having you on the show.
much. Likewise. Thank you so much. Have a good day now. Bye.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.